Fill it up.
How did you do it? Santa. Is Santa coming? Let me have that. Santa.
What does he say, Zachary?
Me. What's that snow calling? It's super phone. It's not working.
Well, tell Santa what you want.
What's your presents?
Yeah, I think he's listening to you.
What is it? Where are you, Santa? It takes a long time.
He can hear you. Let him know what you need.
I need a present.
When do you need them?
On Saturday.
On Saturday?
Yeah.
Is he listening to you now?
No.
Did he hang up?
No. Where's another one? Santa.
Ask him again.
Santa, we want some presents. Hey, that's the
He
rookie.
keeps hanging up on you. That's so mean of Santa.
Santa.